Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Martin from Ashbys and I've just been blown away by the performance of this Enforcer that we've custom built for a gentleman, and he gave me permission to try it out because it's rare we build a spec like this, so I just wanted to give it a go. And I think you'll agree from the video you've just seen that the performance is pretty good if you want a carpet cleaning machine. It has 600 psi, so you only really need 400 psi to clean carpets, but the gentleman's already got an Enforcer and he's already got a 400 psi one, so I think he just wanted to go to the next level. So he's gone for 600, but that means it's got a 3 power lead configuration. So we've embraced that by putting 2 heavy duty vacuum motors in it. So let's go back a bit. Basically, with the 3 power leads, you've got 1 power lead to run your pump and 1 vacuum motor, a second power lead to run one of your vacuum motors, so that's 2, and the third to run a heating system. So he's gone for 3 power lead configurations, so we've upped the vacs from a standard plus a heavy duty to 2 heavy duties. He's also got a SteamMate inline heat exchanger, which is what you saw earlier, kicking out all that high temperature, but he's also got a tank heater as well, and a 3-position switch to switch between the two, so you can have an element style of heater, tank element built into his solution tank. Actually, you can show that, Alana. I'm being ably assisted by Alana. That's your heating element. But he's also got that inline heat exchanger, which works a bit, I suppose, like a power shower. It heats the water as it flows through it, and it goes up to 110 degrees C. His tank heater, if he switches over to that, can go up to 60 degrees C. And gentleman's also got auto fill. So yeah, this is auto fill. This is where he connects his pressurized water source to this male hose lock, and this is the female hose lock that we very generously supply with the machine, and you fit that to your hose. But yeah, it's all recessed, protected, and also if you look, there's some holes there, which is a nice feature because your hose is not laying nicely at this angle when you connect it up, and any drips that come off these connectors, inevitably it basically drips down into the solution tank, as opposed to some other people that might fit an auto fill on the side or the back or the front of the machine where it's dripping down the side of the machine. This is very nicely supported here, and it just lays nicely there, and any drips go into this recess, this angled recess, and drip down into the solution tank. So that's quite nice. He's also gone for gravity auto drain as well, which goes onto the front of the machine, and his hose is gravity auto drain. If you follow me, it's just over here, but we'll talk more about that in another video. But you simply attach that to your dump valve, put the other end where you'd like the water to go, and as long as it's not going up, it's either level or down, it will empty your water rather quickly when you switch your vacuum motors off. He's also gone for remote control. Don't fall over. He's also gone for remote control, so he can switch it off at a distance and change his tools, depressurize, because you've got so much pressure. You want to, disperse some of that before you disconnect anything. So he can switch it off, depressurize, change his tools, so he can change to an inline sprayer, he can change to his hand tool, he can change to his dry vacuum attachment, and then back to his wand. And then switch it back on again. Goes auto fill, auto dump, remote control. Silencer, yeah. Actually, I was using it with a silencer. Well reminded, Alana. Yeah, let's see what difference his silencer makes. Now, if we just disconnect it, it's fitted to the exhaust of his machine, and it's a non-electrical item, which baffles essentially the air coming out and dramatically reduces the noise level. So let's just switch on the vacuum motors. Number 2 first, always, and number 1. And yeah. Then you hang it on the rear handle and you connect it up, and as you can see, it drops your noise level right down. So that makes it a lot more pleasant when you're working, basically. Switch number 1 back off first, then number 2. Yeah, so this is the machine that I really liked today. So got it ready for him, wanted to try it out, thought you guys might like to see it, and girls might like to see it. But yeah, it's a real workhorse, and I think the gentleman's going to be very, very pleased with this. As I say, it's his second machine. But pretty much, I think this is the pinnacle of what can be achieved at the moment, vacuum-wise, in combination with pressure-wise, in a sensible configuration that's reliable and gives you epic heat performance. So look, if we can help you with your requirements for a new machine, give us a shout. I'm happy to talk to you. Also, I work with my father, Derek, so speak to either Derek or myself. Should I say our telephone number? You always have a go at me if I say our telephone number, Alana. Is that old school? Is that too old school? It's too old school. Okay, so I'm not allowed to tell you our telephone number, but you can find it if you follow any of the links that will be embedded with the text in this video, or go on our website. I want to say the telephone number, Alana. Our telephone number is 01795, you hate this, don't you? 436 999. That's 01795 436 999. You're seething, aren't you? You literally. I know it is a bad advert, yeah. But yeah, get on our website, our telephone number's there. You can also drop us an email or drop us a message in any of, if you're using Instagram or you're using Facebook or whatever. Yeah, we will get back to you. But if we don't and you need a quicker answer, always give us a ring. See, sometimes it's better to call. Some people are old school, Alana. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If we can help you, please get in contact.